Statement. Adding machine was developed by Charles Babbage. False. Abacus is the most ancient calculating device. True. Charles Babbage is known as father of computer. True. Mark First was the very first computer to be invented. False. Jacquard loom was invented by Joseph Mary. True. Fill in the blanks. EDVAC is an acronym for Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Mark First was constructed as an electromechanical computer. Charles Babbage invented difference engine and analytical engines. Napier Bones computing machine was invented by John Napier. ENIAC is known as the first general purpose computer. Answer the following questions in short. Write the full form of ENIAC. Answer: Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Who invented the concept of punched card? Answer: Herman Hollerith, inspired by Joseph Mary Jacquard's concept. Which calculating machine was the very first to use concept like input output memory processor? Answer: Analytical engine, designed by Charles Babbage. Which company was the first to develop personal computer? Answer: IBM or MITS or Apple. In early microcomputers history, IBM PC defined the standard PC. Answer the following questions in details. Name the machine which used the concept of punched card. Answer: Tabulating machine. Invented by Herman Hollerith and Jacquard Loom. Invented by Joseph Mary Jacquard. What is the name of very first electronic computer? What were its unique features? Answer: The first general purpose electronic digital computer was ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Unique feature: it used vacuum tubes, approximate 18,000, instead of mechanical gears or relays. It was fully electronic, operating at ultra high speeds compared to electromechanical machines. It was capable of solving a large class of numerical problems through reprogramming. How modern computers are different from ancient computers? Answer: Speed and performance. Modern computers process billions of calculations per second using microprocessor, whereas ancient devices like abacus, Napier bones worked manually or mechanically. Size and portability. Modern computers are compact, highly portable laptop smartphones, while early computing machines were massive, heavy, or room sized. Versatility and intelligence. Modern computers perform diverse tasks: graphics, AI, networking, multimedia, while ancient computing machines were designed only for basic arithmetic operations. Case study. Srishti went to a museum and saw few machines. She made a list of machines in a chronological order but made some mistakes. Correct the order of machines given. Incorrect order. Correct chronological order. Approximate year or era. First, abacus, computer, Pascal machine, Lebesgue calculator, ENIAC, Babbage analytical engine. Correct chronological order: abacus, Pascal machine, Pascaline, Lebesgue calculator, Babbage analytical engine, ENIAC, computer, modern PC. Approximate year era: 2400 BC, 1642, 1673, 1837, 1945, late 20th century. Exercise: Passages 15, 16, and 17. Write E for electronic and M for mechanical machines. Machine name: type E or M. Pascal adding machine: mechanical. Napier's bone: mechanical. tabulating machine, electromechanical, EDVAC, electronic, personal computer, electronic, ENIAC, electronic. Name the inventors of the following machine. Machine inventor. Personal computer, E.D. Roberts. Difference engine, Charles Babbage. Mark First, Howard Akin. Adding machine, Balse Pascal. Match the descriptions of machines with their corresponding machines types. Input was provided through punched cards and was used for tabulation of census data. Tabulating machine used numbered rods, Naffier's bones. Stem driven did not get completed. Difference engine, most ancient calculator, abacus. First electronic computer, ENIAC. Stem driven and pair two numbers, analytical engine. Write two characteristics of each computing machine's abacus, made of a wooden frame with rods holding movable beads, used for performing basic arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction manually. Naffier's bones consisted of rectangular rods strips made of bone, ivory of wood aggravated with numbers, allowed users to perform multiplication and division easily by adding rod values. Analytical engine, designed as a mechanical general purpose computer controlled by punched card, introduced fundamental computer architecture unit, input output store memory and mill processor. ENIAC, first fully operational general purpose electronic digital computer, used thousands of vacuum tubes and operated at lightning fast electronics speeds without moving mechanical parts. Laptop computer, portable, lightweight, all in one personal computer powered by a rechargeable battery. Integrates a display screen, keyboard, touchpad, processor, and wireless networking in a single unit. Palm top computer, handheld computing device small enough to fit in the palm of a hand or pocket, designed for basic personal productivity tasks like calendar, notes, contacts, and